Good afternoon. My name is Gilberto P. Talatago Jr. And today we gonna talk about grit. And this is my reflection for our subject that tackles about grit. Now, what is grit? Grit is a passion and a perseverance itself. And most likely, the children that having a grit is most likely to graduate. Why is that? Because grit is having a stamina. Grit is making your future to reality. Now, according to Dr. Dweck believes that the ability to learn is not fixed. It can be changed with your effort. And a children that has that kind of mindset is likely to achieve the greatest term that is. And the children that had that kind of mindset also believe that failure is not a permanent condition. Now, children that has grittier and their parents talk about how can I make my children to be a great greedy na. Okay. Now, greed is can be what you call this can be achieved by having a growth mindset. Now, if we talk about children, you can force them to be great unless you make them a positive children that they can be and having a growth momentarily, and your children will be having a great mindset as well. And yeah, I guess that's it for my reflection video. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching this video. Again, my name is Gilberto P. Talatago Jr. Thank you so much.